Like Toyota, Honda is a major Japanese car manufacturer with a relatively slow development rate of electric vehicles. However, slow but sure in the Japanese style also has its own advantages to compete in the market. According to the electric vehicle website electrek.co, as of mid-2025, Honda Prologue is still one of the best-selling electric SUV models in the United States. However, the ZDX luxury electric SUV model of Acura, Honda's high-end car brand, is an unexpected growth this year. Honda Prologue, one of the best-selling electric SUV models in the US. Image, HD Vietnamese. After launching the first Prologue model last year, Honda's electric SUV quickly became a star of the market. In the second half of 2024, this is the second best-selling electric SUV in the United States, only after Tesla Model Y. Although the inventory was limited due to the change of the new 2025 model, Honda still sold 2,899 Prologues in June. In the first half of 2025, Honda recorded the sale of 16,317 Prologues in the United States. For comparison, Toyota only sold more than 9,200 bZ4X electric SUVs in the same period. Toyota's luxury brand, Lexus, only sold 763 RZ models, the company's only electric SUV model, with a total of 3,779 units in the first half of the year. Honda Prologue sales are still stable, averaging more than 2,700 cars per month. But Acura's ZDX electric SUV model is really surprising when it quietly takes the upper hand in the luxury electric car segment. With 133 cars sold last month, Acura ZDX sales reached 10,035 cars in the first half of 2025. Acura's electric SUV even surpasses the Cadillac Lyriq, which is based on the same Ultium platform. ZDX sales are significantly higher than Acura company's expectations. Earlier this year, Mike Langle, Acura's Vice President of National Business, shared that the company expects to sell about 1,000 ZDX cars per month this year. An important reason behind this strong growth is that Acura has many big discounts, up to nearly $30,000 in some states. This luxury electric SUV model is even more affordable than the Honda CR-V, with a monthly rental price of only $219.